grammar of AGERU. The grammar of AGERU is mean to finish doing ... That means to finish doing something. So when you finish for doing your homework or doing your job or doing your some task, you can use AGERU, the grammar of AGERU, to help explain that meaning. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use with the grammar of AGERU or AGARU, you should change your word to be the mas form, and you cut mas out of the word and end by AGERU or AGARU. In Japanese, AGERU or AGARU, it just has the same meaning and the same kanji as you see here, but by normally they don't use the kanji. They just sometimes they will use the hiragana as you see here, AGERU or AGARU. So don't be strange when you see in the sentence that they write in hiragana or kanji. You should understand that they have the same meaning, such as to finish doing something. So to make more understand about how to use the grammar of AGERU, let's go to learn some example together. The first example, 研究のレポートを1日で書き上げた。研究のレポートを1日で書き上げた。which means I wrote my research report in one day. I wrote my research report in one day. The next example, この会社は新製品を作り上げた。この会社は新製品を作り上げた。which means this company has created a new product. This company has created a new product. As you see here in the first sentence, they use with the ageta or ageru, you will see the kaku. When you change in mas form, it can be kakimasu, but you cut mas out of the sentence, so you can write in kaki ageta, something like this. And for the second sentence, you will see that when they use with the ageta for the word tsukuru, and you change to the mas form, tsukurimasu, but you cut out of the mas, so we can use like tsukuri ageta. Tsukuri ageta, that means they complete for new product, for make new product, or for creating new product, they complete, something like this. So you can use tsukuri ageta. For kaki ageta, that means you complete for writing the report in one day and left nothing, so you can use ageta, something like this. So the next example, 彼女は小説を書き上げた。彼女は小説を書き上げた。This means she finished writing her novel. She finished writing her novel. The next example, 注文していた年賀状が刷り上げた。注文していた年賀状が刷り上がった。注文していた年賀状が刷り上がった。which means the New Year's card I ordered was print. The New Year's card I ordered was print. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next time. ありがとうございました。